To install a printer without the CD or DVD driver, follow these steps. Step 1. Connect the printer to your computer using a USB cable or through a wireless connection depending on your printer model. Step 2. Turn on the printer and make sure it's in a ready state. Step 3. Open the settings on your computer and go to devices or printers and scanners depending on your Windows version. Step 4. Click on Add a printer or scanner. Windows will start searching for available printers. Step 5. If your printer is detected, it will appear in the list. Select it and click Next. Step 6. If your printer does not appear, click on the printer that I want is not listed and follow the on-screen prompts. Step 7. Choose to add a printer using TCP or IP address or host name if you know the details. Otherwise, select Auto Detect or search by IP address. Step 8. Follow the wizard to complete the installation. Windows will try to locate and install the appropriate driver from its database. Step 9. Once the installation is complete, try printing a test page to ensure the printer is set up correctly. This process allows you to install a printer without using the CD or DVD driver by relying on Windows built-in driver database and detecting capabilities.